Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, Discover Boss, and it's Raymore Reviews. Welcome to another update. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. So just turn that red subscribe button gray. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, and share as well. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options. So I know you already seen the title, New Kingston Business Center, Expansion and Renovation. That's where we are today, just doing a quick update. This is their parking on the outside. They're making a multi-level parking, and this is the work so far. There's already an existing parking underground, but because of the expansion, they're creating more parking space by creating a multi-level parking on the outside. So we're just gonna walk around, take a few glimpses, because there's still some polishing up inside, some amenities still going in, and then the main work outside is the multi-level parking. So remember, leave a comment guys, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for joining another video. What I'll do as well is to put some of the previous videos of the new Kingston Business Center that I covered, so you see where the work is coming from. So stay tuned guys. Alright, so the multi-level parking is out this side. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. And see you on another video.